Hello everyone. Welcome to JH Softech. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to become a prompt engineer. To become a prompt engineer, first familiarize yourself with the GPT 3.5 model. Understand the capabilities and limitations of the model you'll be working with. Study the documentation and resources provided by OpenAI to gain a comprehensive understanding of the GPT 3.5 architecture. Second, learn programming languages. While not strictly necessary, having a strong understanding of programming languages such as Python will be beneficial, as it will enable you to interact with the GPT 3.5 model effectively. Third, understand natural language processing (NLP) concepts. Learn about NLP techniques, including tokenization, entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and language modeling. Familiarize yourself with popular NLP libraries and frameworks. Fourth, gain experience with machine learning. Learn the fundamentals of machine learning and deep learning. Understand concepts such as neural networks, model training, and evaluation metrics. Gain practical experience by working on machine learning projects and experimenting with different algorithms. Fifth, explore the OpenAI API. OpenAI provides an API that allows developers to interact with the GPT 3.5 model. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation and experiment with making API calls to generate responses using the GPT 3.5 model. Sixth, practice prompt engineering. Prompt engineering involves crafting well-designed prompts to obtain desired outputs from the GPT 3.5 model. Experiment with different prompts, instructions, and formats to optimize the model's performance for specific tasks or applications. Seventh, stay updated with advancements. Keep up to date with the latest developments in the field of natural language processing and machine learning. Follow relevant research papers, attend conferences, and participate in online communities to stay informed about the latest techniques and best practices. Eighth, build a portfolio. Develop sample projects or applications that showcase your prompt engineering skills. Create demonstrations that highlight the versatility and effectiveness of the GPT 3.5 model in various domains or use cases. Ninth, collaborate and learn from others. Engage with other prompt engineers, data scientists, and researchers working in the field. Participate in online forums, communities, and open source projects to collaborate and learn from experienced professionals.